Let's talk about gardening. What do I need to grow a plant in a container? I need growing container, potting soil, water, seeds. I also need gardening gloves and a shovel. People grow plants in the spring when it's warm. How do I plant a seed in a container? I choose the seeds I want to plant. I clean out my potting container. I add soil to my container. I put the seed in the soil. I label each plant so I remember what it is. I use a watering can to keep my soil moist. I choose a sunny spot for my plant to grow. I can also put my plant outside to grow. I need to water my plant every day. What can I grow in my garden? I can grow flowers. I can grow herbs like basil. I can grow tomatoes. I can grow lettuce. I can grow corn. I can grow peppers. I can grow strawberries. I can grow potatoes. I can grow cucumbers. I can grow carrots. I can grow squash. Time for questions. Who is planting a garden? What fruit is this? Which tools are for gardening? What are they planting? Where do you buy garden supplies? Which one is the soil? What is she doing? What are they doing? Keywords to learn.